po si Barangay Captain Levy Baybay. Ang lugar po namin ito ay Barangay Maytim 2nd East, Tagaytay City.
Ako po si Ann Hazel Javier, ang Executive Director ng isang environmental non-government organization na naka-base sa Lipa City. Ngayong araw nandito tayo sa Mataas na Kahoy sa aming Pusod Taalay Conservation Center.
Ako si Mr. Galcoso Alburo, guro sa Filipino ng Concepcion Integrated School.
I'm Stephen Anderson. I'm the country representative of the UN World Food Program here in the Philippines. The World Food Program is part of the United Nations system, and our mandate is to try to help end hunger due to conflict, natural disasters, or extreme poverty.
Ang Pusod Incorporated ay member ng Protected Area Management Board na nag-govern sa Taal Volcano Protected Landscape. Ang Taal Volcano Protected Landscape ay may 13 munisipyo at 3 syudad na nakapaligid rito.
Bilang isang public school, almost 98% of our students came from remote area. Ang pangkaraniwang kabuhayan ng mga tao dito, laborer, construction worker, nagtitinda sa palengke, yung iba naman wala talagang trabaho.
The Filipino people as a whole are very hardworking and resilient, but despite this, there are pockets of hunger and poverty that exist in the country.
Besides tourism, which is the more popular livelihood in Talisay, ito yung mga subsistence fisher folks, mga maliliit na mangingisda. Mamangka sila at mangingisda and then babalik sila para lutuin yung kung ano yung nahuli nila for the day. Halos lahat na nakapalibot dun sa Taal Volcano Protected Landscape, problema ang solid waste. Mismo yung palengke nila is facing the lake already. Kasi maraming nagtatapon na malapit sa lake. Marami dun mga dumi ng baboy, dumi ng hayop. You can imagine where the waste is going. We are communicating closely with the barangay and the local government on how we can put a stop or solve that issue.
Dati po ako'y nagsimula sa pagpulok leader dito sa amin. Naging kagawad ako rito. Nung panahon ngayon, wala pa masyadong komunikasyon. Nung nagkaroon po dito na programa ang Globe na Sagot Ka ni Kap, napakalaking bagay po sa amin yan. Dati,
kailangan pa naming lumabas para mag-research, kailangan pa naming lumabas para may access yung ganitong information. Sa tulong ng Globe, nung laboratory ng ipinut up nila, pagbibigay ng mga computers sa kanilang project na internet connectivity in the schools, napakalaking tulong sa part ng teacher at ganoon din sa estudyante.
Ngayon, we have established the Taalay Conservation Center and we see this as the hub of information. So, dito namin din ilalagay yung isa naming portal for disseminating the information.
The World Food Program was looking for a private sector partner who would meet our operational needs. The Cash for Work, first and foremost, it allows increased efficiency in terms of addressing the beneficiaries, and more importantly, it gives the beneficiaries more flexibility in terms of what they would buy. It can also help to stimulate the local market. The beneficiaries very much appreciated being able to go to the local sari-sari stores where there are GCash outlets, which were much closer to their houses.
Nagkaroon kami ng hot bite mga 5 months ago na. Pagdating nga sa mga ganyan na disaster, nagkakaroon kami ng komunikasyon. Hindi gaya nung dati noon na wala yan, hindi yan nangyayari ko, patakbo-takbo, hindi maala ko paano gagawin.
Naglunsad sila ng panibagong programa. Ito nga yung GFT o Global Filipino Teachers. Layunin na mas palalimin ang paraan ng paggamit ng internet sa sistema ng edukasyon. Isa ang PBL o Project-Based Learning dun sa GFT. Ang Project-Based Learning dito ay matuto ang estudyante dun sa kanilang ginagawang proyekto. Nag-encourage siya ng collaborative effort.
Sa pagpasok ng Globe as a partner, they will enable Pusod Incorporated to convey the information faster to our stakeholders. So kung meron kaming ilalabas halimbawang updates tungkol sa pag-implement namin ng management plan, madali din namin makukuha pabalik kung ano yung sa tingin nila, mga palagay nila at opinion tungkol dun sa ginagawa naming mga hakbang.
The GCash pilot was really focused in and around Metro Manila. Our hope is to take the lessons that we drew from the experience here in Metro Manila and transplant them and expand here in Central Mindanao, where World Food Program has its main operations in conflict-affected areas.
Lahat ng mga pagbabago kaugnay sa teknolohiya dito sa aming paaralan ay dahil sa Globe. Napakalaking tulong na sa mga estudyante namin kasi mas nadagdagan yung kanilang kaalaman, nakatulong yon sa pag-develop ng kanilang skills. Etong maganda, ready sila sa pagbabago.
The interest in this pilot, which we accomplished together between the World Food Program and Globe, went way beyond the Philippines. It was picked up by the CNN World Report, and more recently I was asked to actually make a full presentation on how the pilot evolved to all the World Food Program country directors worldwide.
Malaking bagay po sa amin ito. Namo-monitor namin yung pagdating ang bagyo. Napapaghandaan na po namin yan. Pagdating sa mga dadalhin sa ospital, lalo na yung mga bata, ay tatakbo namin sa ospital.
From our perspective, I really found that Globe did not act merely like a service provider, but really as a true partner. We always found that Globe acted with full professionalism, but also with a caring approach to the beneficiaries.